Recognizing the value of hard work and determination, driven by a customer-centric culture, empowered by the Royale Mania, Royale Business Club saw the birth of the Millionaire Circle, the first rung of the ultimate success ladder.
Kami mag-asawa, katulad ako, waiter lang ako dati, naging restaurant manager, pero ngayon, sa loob ng wala pang isang taon, naging successful kami sa company. Nasa 17,000 a month nung aking sweldo. Pero ngayon po dito sa Royal, kumikita na po kami ng mga 300,000 a month. Doon sa unang 8 buwan namin, nakabili po kami ng brand new 40K.
Vital to its growth and continued clamor for development, the President's Circle has also been launched, a celebration of dreams achieved beyond expectation.
Just don't lose the passion. Keep the fire burning. You always have to be excited. Tapos, trabaho lang katapat and everything will be possible. Yung tinatrabaho ng iba for 10 years, in 1 year, pwede natin makuha dito lahat eh. Kasi what happened to me, 3 years na nakuha ko dito sa Royal. Kung tinuloy ko dati kong trabaho, I will be working like 30 years in my whole life para kitain ko yung kinita ko rito sa loob lang ng 3 taon.
Royale Business Club's mission statement. With our outstanding products, services, and micro-business opportunities, we are destined to be the #1 provider of business options and solutions by the year 2010.
Yung kinikita ko sa Royal as a product center owner, doble pa dun sa expectation ko. In fact, one of the results is I decided to build my own building exclusively for Royal. Last year, me and my wife went to Europe, and this year, we were hoping na kasama ko na yung buong pamilya ko. Yun ang isa sa mga bagay na hindi ko kayang ma-achieve if I'm not with Royal right now.
We have seen it happen. Mark 2010 as yet another challenge begins. The race is on for the Chairman's Circle. Walang katapusang hamunan, walang kinikilalang bibiyayaan, manampalataya at maniwala lamang sa kumpanyang sasamahan.
Marami na kasi ang mga company na biglang susulpot, tsaka ang dami po pangako. Lahat po ng sinasabi ng kumpanya, ganito mangyayari. Kumbaga, drawing pa lang lahat. Hindi po katulad ng Royal, hindi mo na po pangaraping pang mangyari po yung lahat ng mangyari kasi nangyari na. Kumbaga, papasok ka na lang, andun na po lahat.
Bukod sa Hong Kong na binigay po sa akin ng Royal Business Club, nahit ko rin po yung incentive papuntang Europe. Even your wildest dream, kahit hindi mo pinapangarap, may ibibigay ng Royal Business Club sa'yo.
It all started with a simple dream.
Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na kakayanin ko to. Pinapangarap ko po ito na sabi ko mangyayari po sa akin. Na wala pong imposible, basta pangarapin mo lang, pangarapin ko na lahat pwedeng maabot.
I believe in the spirit of helping our co-Filipinos. Sa akin pong sariling eksperyensya, alam natin na kahit na sino na mabigyan ng oportunidad, konting swerte, inspirasyon, together with hard work, will surely have success.
From being good to being great. From being great to being significant.
Naging magaan po ang buhay namin. Wala na po yung utang ka pa para makakain ka. Tapos yun po, unti-unti na po yung nawala. Nakakaraos na po dahil po sa Royal.
Nagsimula sa isang pangarap lang na ginawa namin lahat para subalit di rin po namin nakamtan yung ganong klaseng pangarap. Ngayon po, sa tulong po ng Royal, yung pinapangarap po namin, humigit pa po ron ang naibigay sa amin.
Nakikita ko yung nangyari sa kanila, kung paano sila nagsimula,
paano sila umasinso, paano nakuha nila mga pangarap nila.
Sa napakaikling panahon, eto na po ang maliwanag na ebidensya ng bawat miyembro namin. Sa iba pinapangarap ng 10-15 taon, dito tinatrabaho ng 10 hanggang 15 buwan. Na-achieve na nila ang magagara nilang sasakyan. Muli po, binabati ko ang aming mga miyembro sa mga pangarap po nilang natupad na at sa mga pangarap pa ng marami pang miyembro na darating pa lang.
Sama-sama nating isakatuparan ang ating mga pangarap at panaginip. Walang imposible sa Royal!
Royalista! Royalista! Royalista!
らっしゃいお待ちどうさま喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Kasi nung sumali ako dito, nangarap ako. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng kotse. Hindi man yung mag-aara, basta hindi kami nagko-commute, hindi kami hirap. Nung sumali po ako dito, ayun, after 1.5 year, nakuha namin yung Jaguar. Sobrang grateful po talaga ako kay God at saka sa Royal dahil hindi lang nila tinupad yung pangarap ko eh. Hinigitan pa nila yung pangarap ko. Ngayon po, nangangarap naman po kami na magkaroon naman po ng bahay. Yun po yung pinag-iipunan namin ngayon. Nakakatuwa po dito kasi nagle-level up ka talaga sa mga pangarap mo eh. Hindi lang yung mangangarap ka tapos wala naman. Dito talagang natutupad.
This is the cornerstone of a solid and honorable success. Yes, Royal made it happen. The first 3 years stamped a blueprint of better things to come.
This is just the beginning. Hindi pa to ang momentum. Malaki pa talaga yung hinaharap natin. At pag dumating yung momentum na yun for the next years to come, especially this 2010, I believe itong 2010 na to, this is the take-off. Ito pa lang ang totoong take-off. Bumuelo pa lang ang Royal from the first year to the 4th year.
As we move towards another year in our company's life, I am very proud to announce to you that our new home, our headquarters, has started its construction to fulfill our commitment in providing our Royalistas the best of service in all aspects. I am sure that the initial total of 6,500 square meters of office space will be ample enough to accommodate our fast-growing organization.
2010 promises a bigger, bolder, stronger network of Royalistas empowered to conquer and declare Tatak Royalista.
I challenge all of you, let us do this business with a good heart and a kind spirit.
I know the best is yet to come. Royalistas, let's all make it happen. This is your president, Ju Luis Alan Nolasco. Tatak Royalista!
Royalistas, it can be done, and it will be done.
Sa gitna pa lang tayo ng akitan natin. Mahirap paakyat. Pero parang Royal, mahirap man, kayang-kayang abutin.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. my faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying, gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain, I'm always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb, the struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on. There's always gonna be another mountain, I'm always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, yeah. There's always gonna be another mountain, I'm always gonna wanna make it a move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes I'm gonna have to lose.